answer. So watch this video till the end. Everyone, kindly follow the complete series. Okay, so let's start. First question. Once. Let's start. Yeah. A credit bureau tracks the indebtedness and a repayment history of the borrowers on the loans they have taken from. So credit bureau means what? Firstly, what is credit bureau? Credit bureau here means the credit information companies, CIC, CIC. Okay, or you can call it simple word CIBIL. You all guys know CIBIL now. CIBIL score gives you the score of the customer depending on the payment history, how many loans that guy has here, payment history, right? Main is this payment history. Second, liabilities on that customer, total number of liabilities on the customer, right? So this is second one. Then third one, the liabilities, payment history, correct, income level and this assets of that person. So all these things are combined and you get the credit score of that customer. So the credit bureau tracks the indebtedness and repayment history of the borrower on loans they have taken from. So from where have they taken the loan? Only bank and the financial institutions, bank and NBFCs alone. Bank, NBFC and financial institutions, all of them. So what can be the answer over here? Everyone? Yep. Just I'll wait for 1 minute. Let's see. Okay. Credit bureau tracks the indebtedness and repayment history of the borrowers on the loans they take from. Is it CIBIL related only to banks? Or is CIBIL related, CIBIL can take the data from other institutions also? It is? Yes, it is actually everyone. Okay, banks, NBFCs and financial institutions. Here, if you take loan from Bajaj Finserv also, then also it gets caught in the CIBIL. If you take loan from HDFC Housing, now housing is gone. Let's say India Bulls Housing, then also it gets tracked in the loan. If you get a loan from cooperative banks, then also it gets tracked in the loan, in the CIBIL score. If you take the loan from the banks, normal banks, commercial banks, then also this gets tracked in the CIBIL score. So that's why CIBIL score tracks each and every repayment of yours for any loan which you have taken. Okay. So important, which loan is not included in CIBIL? Anyone can tell me? Which loan is not included in CIBIL? Very simple loan. Which one? It is FDOD, correct. FDOD is not included in CIBIL, right? Because it's after all an OD just based on the FD itself, isn't it? Chalo, next one. A bank should be approachable and easy to contact. Besides, the bank staff should communicate in the language of the customers, in which the customers understand. The bank staff should make efforts to know the customer and their needs. This falls under which of the category? So, bank should be approachable and easy to contact. Here, approachable. Approachable means what? The banks, the employees of the bank should be friendly actually. That's the meaning. Friendly. The bank should be approachable. Customer should feel easy while contacting them. It shouldn't happen that the customer feels something different. Yeah, what is this? This guy is very rude. This guy is not at all okay. So it should not happen. That is meant by approachable. Easy to deal with. Always remember, any bank, any customer looks at you from 3 angles only. One is R, second is E, and third is D. Okay? R means respectful. Respectful means what? When will you be respectful? If you have the proper knowledge, only then you will be respectful. If you have the proper knowledge, only then you will be respectful. Otherwise, customer won't respect you at all, isn't it? So that is one. Second one is E. What is E? Easy to deal with. Easy. Even though you have knowledge, you should be easy to deal with. Easy, right? To deal. And third one is this dedication. Dedication means basically, or discipline you can say. That's the best simple way. Discipline. Okay? You should be disciplined. Means if you promise anything to the customer, that promise should be fulfilled. Otherwise, what happens? If you don't fulfill the promise, the customer won't trust you at all. So that's why here it means that approachable, easy to contact. Besides, the bank staff should communicate in the language which the customer understands, isn't it? Means otherwise, what happens? I'll speak all the financial terms, big financial terms, the repo rate and CRR, SLR, and customer doesn't understand anything. So that's not the right way. See, a language doesn't mean English, Hindi, Marathi, Tamil, not that way. It means the way I am talking. The bank staff should make efforts to know the customers and their needs. That is also important. Know the customers and their needs. Isn't it? This. Know the customers and their needs. So their needs, this falls under which category? This falls under reliability, responsiveness, assurance, and empathy. Know their customers and their needs. How do you know the needs? You know the needs of the customer only when you are empathetic. This is the right answer, empathetic. If you know you are empathetic, only then you will get the right answer. You'll know the problems of your customers. Okay. So that's why this comes under which category? Empathy. Customer expects that the bank that if there is some problem with entries in the bank statement, they should be corrected immediately. Similarly, if certain charges are debited incorrectly, the amount should be restored quickly. This expectation of customer falls under which of the following category? Reliability, responsiveness, assurance, and empathy. So under which does it fall, everyone? The customer expects that if there is a problem with the entries in the bank statement, they should be corrected immediately. Corrected. So here the customer is expecting the correction immediately. If there are certain charges debited incorrectly, the amount should be restored quickly. Restored means again rectification. This should be done automatically, not the customer has to tell you. It should be done automatically by the bank because the bank must come to know. Right? It should not be from the customer's end. The bank must come to know that there is an error and that should be rectified. So this comes under which category? Reliability, responsiveness, assurance, and empathy. See this. Reliability means what? The customer should be reliable on you. If they give you some job, you should be able to do it. Responsiveness means quick response. And whatever may be the response here, it's not always positive. It can be a negative response also. Okay. So quick response, right? Then second one, third one, this is assurance. Now this is the right answer, assurance. Because the customer should be assured that there won't be any error in his account. There were no erroneous charges will be debited to his or her account. And if they are debited, they will be rectified by the bank immediately. That should be the assurance given to the customer. Okay. So this comes under the term assurance. Remember this. This comes under assurance. Okay. Everyone, download Adda 24/7 app on your mobile. In this app, you will be getting the premium study material plus live classes, ebooks, tests, whatever we need for clearing JAIIB and CIIB, we get it over here. So that's why download it right now. Okay. The Credit Information Bureau provides the report which is called as. So this Credit Information Bureau means what? Again we come to the same thing called as CIBIL. Right? CIBIL. CIBIL company provides the report which is called as confidential report, credit report, credit information report, and scorecard. So what does this provide? This CIBIL company provides you one report. So that report is called as It is called as correct credit information report. This is known as credit information. Okay. Yeah. Next one. Which of the following statements regarding the satisfaction level of the customer is not correct? See here, satisfaction level of the customer not correct. So which of them is not correct? Fulfillment of the customer needs can be measured from satisfaction level of the customer. Fulfillment of the customer needs, whether the customer needs have been satisfied or not, whether the customer is fully satisfied by a service or not. It comes to you come to know from where? From the satisfaction level of the customer. From where do you get the satisfaction level? Those 5 stars we have, right? This at the end of every service online nowadays we have these 5 stars. Best is 5, worst is 1. Give that rating. So that is known as satisfaction. Satisfaction comes out from customer experience of products. Experience. If the customer, how the customer experiences the product. If you deal with the customer properly, if you give the proper treatment to the customer, then the customer will be happy about your product. If you don't give the service properly, the customer won't come back to you, and he'll tell almost 10 more customers not to go to you. The experience is same in case of all services of the banks. So is it true? See here, we want not correct. Okay. So this one is correct, true, right? This one is also true. Second one. This one is false. Because why? The experience is same in case of all services of the bank. It's not that. One department of the bank might be working very fast and prompt. Other department might be lethargic. So the experience is same in all the services of the bank. That is false. It's not true at all over here. Okay. The credit information normally provide following type of weighted information. So this credit information bureau, this CIBIL which we get. Okay. So this CIBIL report which we get provides what type of information? It provides what type of information? Payment history, amount owed, length of the credit history, new credit, and types of the credit in use. So what does it give? Payment history? Yes, it gives. What is the payment history? Whether you have paid the loans regularly or not. Whether you have made any error in paying. Amounts owed. What is the total amount owed on the customer right now? Length of the credit history. What for since well, how long the customer has been paying the loans correctly or incorrectly, anything. New credit. Okay, what is the new credit? Then types of credits in use. What are the loans the customer is having right now? So all of these is the answer because it gives all this information. It gives you the payment history, how much you have paid earlier, whether you have repaid all the loans correctly. What is the total amount owed? Means right now what is your liability? Okay, if somebody might be having home loan, somebody might be having personal loan, somebody might be having all the loans, home loan, personal loan, credit card, then CC, everything that person might be having. So this is the total amount owed. Length of the credit history means since how long have I been paying these loans regularly. New credit. What is the new credit this customer has taken recently? Then types of credits in use. What are the various credits? What are the various loans this customer is having right now in place? So types of credits in use. So will it give you A to E all? Does it give you the new credit? See here, okay, I'll mark 2 answers now. Let me see. Because D is A to E all and A, B and C. Which one do you think should be the answer? Okay, let's take a test over here. Means instead of myself speaking every time, let's take a test now from you. What do you say, guys? It should be what it should be? Should it be this C or should it be D? Just check this, everyone, and give me the answers. Here, I want the answer now from you because I want to see how many of you have understood the concept, the CIBIL concept. Okay, so yeah. Yes, yes, yes. Yeah. Does it give this new type of credits, whichever loan I have taken recently? Does it give the types of credits in use? It gives you, correct? This is very important because what happens? Many of us think that suppose if I am approaching for a new loan, how will CIBIL know what is the new loan I am approaching? New loan year means whatever recently I have taken the loans. Types of the credits means whatever recently I have taken the credits, whatever recently I have taken the loans. Okay, that is known as this type of credit. Everyone subscribe to Officers Adda 24/7 YouTube channel. In this channel, you will be getting number one, the updates on from IIBF. Okay, IIBF gives various notifications, date changes, timing changes, then some the question pattern changes, everything. It gives the update. So these are immediately given on Adda 24/7 app. Second one, free YouTube series. Right now, what are you watching? You're watching the free YouTube series. So the same free YouTube series, you get it for all the subjects. So that's why subscribe to the channel, click on the bell icon and share it with your friends. Immediately do it. Okay. As per the basic segmentation of customers based on the income levels, super affluent customers have the following income. Now remember one thing. Super affluent means what? Affluent means what? Affluent means that customer who can influence others, or very rich guy can influence, who is having some status. After here, there are two types. One is super affluent, and above that person, above super affluent, we have this HNI. Okay, so the income level for super affluent person is what? 10 to 50 lakhs, 50 to 400 lakhs, 400 lakhs to 4,000 lakhs, and 4,000 lakhs to this 120 lakhs. Let's make it 4,000. Yeah, 120,000 lakhs. Okay, it is that much. So it is 50 to 400 lakhs means what? 50 lakhs to 400 lakhs. That is the meaning. Huh? It's not that 50 rupees. So the answer over here is super affluent person means B. Super affluent person will always have the income between 50 lakhs to 400 lakhs. Okay. Then afterwards comes HNIs. That is 400 lakhs to 4,000 lakhs. The general weightage given by the Credit Information Bureau is not correct in which of the following? So not correct. Okay, not correct. In which of the following? What do you think? The general weightage is not correct in which of the following? Yeah. What is it? Yes, yes. It is length of the credit history. That is not correct. See here, the length of the credit history, or the weightage regarding the length of the credit history is 15%. It's actually 15% over here. Okay, that is the right answer. Got it? Clear, everyone? It is 15%. Chalo, next one. In USA, FICO score of dash is considered as excellent. Now, FICO score is what? Like we have in our country, we have CIBIL score, right? CIBIL. So similarly, we have FICO score in US. So FICO score of dash is considered as good score. So what is it? FICO score of everyone, it is 700. It's considered as a good score. Okay, always remember this. The FICO score of 700 is considered as a good score in USA. If this question comes in exam, you must be able to answer it. Everyone join the selection batch. Before that, okay, I wanted to show you something before telling you about the batches. See this. The new tax regime, do you know, everyone? Do you know the new tax regime? What is that new tax regime called as? Everyone give me the answer. New tax regime. It is called as, there's a number to this. It is called as 115 BSE, right? Remember, this is something new which I wanted to give you. New tax regime is called as 115 BSE. Okay, this 115 BSE will not have ATC deductions. So ATC deductions are not available under 115 BSE. Okay, number one point. Number two, the income levels are also different. So there is a 7 lakh rebate. Up to 7 lakh we have a rebate. Okay, under 115 BSE. So if your income level is up to 7 lakh, you'll have a rebate over here. Okay, so up to 7 lakhs rebate. Got it? Simple. Next one. Suppose, what are the income levels? It is 0 to 3 lakhs. It's in the terms of 3 now. 3 to 6 lakhs, 6 to 9, then 9 to 12, 12 to 15, like this, 12 to 15, and then above 15. Above 15 it is, that is separate. Okay, so it is in the table of 3. Okay, then again the taxation also 0% over here, then 5%, 10%, 15%, 20%. There is a table of 5 over here. So this is known as the new regime, tax regime. This question might come to you in exam for 115 BSE. New tax regime is known as 115 BSE, and ATC is not applicable. Not, okay, in this 115 BSE. Remember this by heart. Old tax regime was different. See, nowadays government has given you 2 options. You can go for new tax regime or you can go for old tax regime. In old tax regime, what was it? 0 to 2.5 lakhs, then 2.5 to 5, 2.5 to 5, and then it went on and on. But that is gone now. 5 to 10, then table changes, 5 to 10, then it goes on. This is old. Here ATC is applicable. Here ATC is applicable, but the rebate is not there. 7 lakhs rebate is not available on the old tax regime. Okay, so that's why, remember, new tax regime is the best regime which has come in India now. Okay, so now join this Sankalpa batch. PPB, IFS, AFM, retail banking and wealth management, everything is covered. Numericals, objective questions, case studies covered. If you can't join this RBWM batch, local batch immediately on due to time constraints, so what you do is you will join the video courses batch. Okay, video courses batch is also good. So in video courses batch, you will get all the video courses, right, of the subject. Got it? So video courses batch also you can join. Plus you can join the Mahapack, JAIIB CIB Mahapack 2.0. In this Mahapack, you will be getting, what do you get in Mahapack? Live classes, video courses, then ebooks, test series, mini and Maha marathon, practice papers, doubt sessions, everything what we require, you get it over here. So immediately join the batch. How to join it? See here, I'll show you. Go to Adda 24/7. Say this. Let me take you to Adda 24/7. Hold on. Okay. Here, go. I would always suggest you to go through the app. In the app, what happens? You get the coin system. In coin systems, you get around 1% extra. Click on JAIIB and CIB. Then click on JAIIB October 23. Done. Now click on this Sankalpa batch. Okay. Done. Sankalpa batch. Now look at this. Here you see the fees 3,999.80. 80% off is there. 19,999 reduces to 3,999.80. Huge discount, isn't it? So join the app. Guru 80 code is already applied. Click on buy now. Then you'll see, get the details over here. See this. 19,999 fees reduces to 3,999.80. And what all do you get? Check this. Online live classes, test series, ebooks. If you click on this test series, you will see topic wise a test series. If you click on this ebooks, you will see topic wise ebooks. See this ebooks. You will get chapter wise ebooks. Okay, so everything is available. Even the test series. this video courses. If you click on the online video courses, you'll see all the video courses. You click on those, you'll see the topic wise again, various topic wise videos. All the videos are given over here. Okay. So that's why join it ASAP. You can join the Mahapack also. Similarly, go to JAIIB CIB Mahapack. So this go to JAIIB CIB Mahapack over here. Go to JAIIB CIB Mahapack. Then here click on JAIIB Mahapack and go through the videos again. Online videos, test series, ebooks. Go through them. Click on buy now. You'll get this 33,596 fees gets reduced to 6,719. This also depends on the period which you want. Okay. So if you're opting for the smaller period, 3 months, then you get the fees is only 4,499. If you're opting for 6 plus 6 months, double validity, the fees is 6,719. And if you're opting for 12 plus 12 months, longer period, fees is 9,406. So that's why join these batches immediately because the exams are near. I'll be back tomorrow with another series. Till then, keep studying. Bye.